Preposition test. Question number 1. The books are blank the shelf. Choose the right one. On. Question number 2. The cat is blank the door. Choose the right one. Behind. Question number 3. Women are standing blank the corner of room. N. Question number 4. The cat is sitting blank the dog. Choose the right one. Next two. Question number 5. Sarah snaps blank the pillow. Choose the right one. On. Question number 6. He usually travels to Dubai blank plane. Choose the right one. By. Question number 7. She received a bicycle blank her birthday. On. Question number 8. We may play football. It depends blank the weather. On. Question number 9. There is a rabbit blank the picture. Choose the right one. N. Question number 10. I have no money blank my purse. The answer is N. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.